it requires it now. It's not optional anymore. Did you know that? Did you know it's not optional anymore? Sunday stream. Hey Kyle, let's go. Yes, Sunday stream. We didn't finish. So I wanted to finish it. I wanted to finish the HTTP server. That's what I want to do. I really wanted to finish it. So is this going to give us the server? All right, now bind listen. Okay, let's put all of this stuff. Let's put everything. Let's put it all. Let's put all of it in this right here. So we'll create a server. We'll have a server create function, and we'll return something. Maybe we'll return the file descriptor. I don't know. Do we need to? Yes, we do. Okay, so we need to return the file descriptor. All right, perfect. So return server FD. That's a good idea. I like that one. Pip screaming at me when I try to install packages, right? Probably I need to create virtual env. You got it. For less than a few. You got it. That's what you got to do. You got to install. Well, you got to set up a virtual env, which is pretty. 6-7. I was going clean Bursy? Clean Bursid. All right, clean Bursid. I am hyped for Python. Me too. I'm excited. It's I use it all the time. That's why the venv. Because I use it all the time. Actually working on a Python parser for a WordPress plugin right now. Hey, just source the env, bro. You got it. Yep, you got it. 6-7. How about 6 Steven? We could do 6 Steven. Chill, bro, right? I'm really excited because you know what? We didn't finish the HTTP server on Friday, and I just felt really bad. I didn't feel complete. So I'm just stoked that I'm going to do this. We have time today, and it's going to happen. Hey, how's it going there? D-Click and Black Scythe. Hey, how's it going? Good to see ya. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday, you guys. What's 6-7 even mean? I'm missing something. Hey, don't worry. The rest of us are too. We don't know what's going on. And neither does anyone else. They'll probably tell you something about it. And nope. It's not true. All right, so we got ourselves. Let's see here. Create a server. Datagram. We got a socket. And then, do we need this anymore? No, we just need it here. Okay. We're going to do any address. We got the port. And instead of port like this, we need it to be port like that. And then I think we're good here. Okay, cool. All right. Hello, brother. Hey, how's it going, Jay? Jay, good to see ya. Happy Sunday. We're going to finish our HTTP server in C. We're doing C basics. This is the last stream. Friday, what we did was we wrote this HTTP server, and it didn't barely work. Hey, how's it going, Shelby? Shelby from? Well, come on in. Happy Sunday. Happy to have you here. Let's see if we can keep going here. All right, so we got we're gonna create custom responses. So let's get ourselves a to-do. What do we want to accomplish today? I think we want to type all this out. So there are a few things that we want to do today. All right, first thing, let's get server set up, and then easy. We'll do like sort of like an easy while loop. So an easy while loop. And then custom. What else do we want? Custom responses. Like dynamic responses. And maybe parsing the HTTP request. Something like that. And then we can do that. So that way we can do routing. And then I think we did it. So routing. I think those are good. You subscribed, Shelby? Excellent. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. You joined the right channel for software engineering. Good to have you here. Thanks for saying hi. All right. So let's get server setup, easy while loop, dynamic responses, parsing. Well, you can, in order to get a dynamic response, you kind of have to. you kind of have to have routing as well, right? So basically, this is all under routing. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Big day to Jay. How's it going? I think so too. Woo! All right, sounds good. All right, I'm really excited about this. I'm feeling so much better. I was just dissatisfied because we didn't complete it. Thank you for the likes, you guys. We didn't complete it. So let's see here. Also, we should figure out how to close. There's also a shutdown and close. Okay, so we should add that as well. Cleanup. We should do some cleanup sections. Cleanup. We could do as well. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. We'll do shutdown and close. I think we need to do both of those. All right, so shut down and close. So we can shut down that. Good. Nice to see you all. Nice. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Aziz, thank you for the hearts. And thank you for saying hello. Good to see you. All right. So this is a pretty good stream today, I think. We're going to do server setup, easy while loop routing, parsing the HTTP request, dynamic response cleanup, and shutdown. I think it should be good. This one, even though it seems like it should be easy and simple, well, we got to figure out where our close is at. Where does it even exist? What do we need to include? What headers do we need to include? I'm kind of lost. What are you dealing with today? Oh, Black Scythe? Okay, so we're writing an HTTP server in C. We did a big bunch of work on Friday. We did a lot of work on Friday. And it worked out not really. It didn't work. So we figured out how to get it up and running at least. So watch this. I can echo and then I can get a response back from the server, which is great, right? Great. Sounds good to me. Looks all good. Happy to see it. However, the problem is we need to do more. We're nowhere near kind of done yet. We got to do a whole lot more. We need to get things up and running. You are awesome. Hey, thank you, Shelby. You're awesome. You are awesome. Good to have you here. Sunday stream. I know Torva, right? Torva, hey, how's it going? What happened was we didn't finish our HTTP server on Friday, so it's time to finish it. I feel like it's time to finish it. I'm going to be so happy if we finish it, or at least get it better than where it was, because we didn't fully get it all working the way I wanted to get it working. So that's why. Can we do this? All right, let's see here. Before I do that, I want to make sure everything is set up good. Okay, so let's do, where's our server FD? Okay, so this is the server FD. What we can do is just say server, just making it easier. Just a little bit easier right there. There we go. Clean, simple. We don't need this anymore. Okay, and then we'll return create server port. So see, const server equals. It's really the server file descriptor, right? That's all it is. For our list view, can you explain a bit about function that accepts the pointer, and when you modify it will be the original variable change? Oh, so passing by reference. I talking about passing by reference. So yeah, so you can pass data by reference or data by copy. When you do it through a stack variable and you pass the data without the address as a reference, it will be a copy of the data. So you got to be careful. You got to be careful because you might want to be modifying it all